Hey, what's up guys? This is my 2016 Varis wide body kit for the 15 and up WRX. I've gotten the question quite a few times about how much it costs to wide body legitimately your 15 and up WRX or STI with the Varis wide body kit. I was one of the first people in America to get one. I got it through Bulletproof Automotive with a military discount. And basically the whole kit comes with the front bumper, the rear bumper, the side skirts, fender extensions, the rear fender extensions, the door extensions, and the extra pieces that connect the rear bumper to the rear diffuser. And that whole kit in itself costs $8,500 for the carbon option. So you can get it in FRP, which will come with an FRP front lip instead of the carbon front lip, but at that point, I mean, you're only saving yourself probably less than $1,000. Everything else from that is an accessory to Varis. So doing the double canards up front, these are an extra $1,000. The hood is an extra $2,000. The wing in the 1600 millimeter spec, which is for the wide body specifically, is another $2,400 with the stands. The rear diffuser in the back, that's an extra $2,100. No Subaru. And not installed, but I do have them, is the heat shields for the exhaust. Those will run an extra $500. We still got to do that, Jay. But yeah, that's pretty much piece by piece. Then you got to paint it. I went ahead and got the front molded instead of having the fasteners in it. So that ran me a little bit extra to do that up front. You can also just have the fasteners in it like my rear is, but I wanted the front looking really clean. I will tell you, for a plug for you guys that want to piece together this kit, you don't have to buy it all at once. You could start with just the front bumper, the rear bumper, and add on to it. So you have these these bumper extension pieces right here on my car, which are molded in, but you can piece by piece buy this kit. So you can get the front bumper, which is just the regular stock bumper that fits to your stock WRX STI 15 and up. And then you can piece by piece get things together. So this fender extension comes right off, and you have to cut into your OEM fender to get this piece to line up. So like I said, you can piece by piece get the fender and the bumper extension, and later down the line go wide body for your front and your rear, because the rear bumper is the same thing. It's just it's the OEM size for the 15 and up WRX STI, same as the rear bumper. So you could just buy these bumper extensions on the rear, the fender extensions, the bumper extension, and they all mold right up to the Varis OEM spec bumper. So you don't have to do it all at once, kind of like I did. And if you already have the Varis kit, then you're in luck. You could just piece by piece put your Varis wide body on for a lot cheaper, because the bumpers are the most expensive part. I think the bumpers run around $2,000 for the front, $2,000 for the rear, which is almost like half the cost of the kit. The fender extensions are less than $1,000. So you can piece by piece this kit together. You don't have to get everything at once. It doesn't break the bank as fast. I was just in a position where I could buy everything all at once. So a little tip for you guys if you want to piece by piece this Varis kit together. But with paint, all the accessories, wheels and tires too, because you can't run stock wheels. These are 295 tires on Volt TE37 SLs, 18 by 11 plus 17, 295s. I don't know if I said that. But 295s all the way around. With the tires, paint, wide body, accessories, we're looking at $27,000. So that number was a huge number that I just calculated for the first time. I did not enjoy that, but I also didn't buy everything all at once. I piece by piece got this kit with the hood, and then I bought the wing. The car sat in the garage for about a year and a half. So everything didn't come at once, kind of piece by pieced it together. And yeah, honestly, like, people ask me all the time, you know, like, how much does it cost? And that number is a ridiculously high number, but you know what? It gives me a great feeling when I drive this car every day. I get looks, I get compliments all the time from young and old. People love the car. I love the car, which is why I did it. But yeah, it's gonna see the track, it's gonna see the streets. I don't want this car, Jay can attest to it, it's in the rain. You know, I drive it every chance I can. And I'm loving it. I can't wait for show season this year. And finally some people can get to see it around here that haven't lived in the local area, but yeah.
Hey!
What up, homeboy? Bro. Say what up!
What's up?
No, like he didn't like at all. I thought for sure. I was like already in the glove box, like getting my stuff ready.
Oh. It's because you're white.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's good. Wait, perfect, perfect. There you go. Alright, crank the wheel. Crank it. Keep going. Keep going, you're good. Keep going. Right on 3.
Actually, Phil, go up all the way to the front. We have you touch the water. Hell yeah, dude. This is fucking dope. Holy shit.
Angle it and come back.
Crabbies.
Thank you.
Scared, he thought the waves were gonna come up to his car.
From here?
Dude, you ran to your car and then.
It was all the way up to the front tire. I was like, oh no.
Yeah, because if you look at it from here,
That was like close to the front tire right there.
yeah, it looks like the waves are gonna hit it. But as you can see, Phil's got a lot of room. Nice spot, huh, Phil?
This is awesome.
We're out here with the gang.
Absolutely.
There you go.
That's a really nice spot. Yep.
It's definitely solid.
Yeah.
It's salt water.
I don't know if you guys can see the back and all the snow-capped mountains. Dude, yeah, it's dope. Here we are living the Washington life. Here it is. Or Pacific Northwest life. Here's a little ramp. See ya. Yeah, angle it this way.
Yep.
Lots of room.
Yep, you're good.
Hold up, hold up. You gotta angle it more.
Yeah.
It doesn't look too bad on the left side.
Slowly. Oh, you're good. Yeah, you're good, bro.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic, Molly Marley.